Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to use this valve spring compressor tool. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what the tool looks like here. There's different kinds of tools that you can use for removing the valve springs, but this is the one that I'm using here. And this one, you can pick this up very inexpensive. They have it online, automotive stores, hardware stores. A lot of places carry this, so they're easy to come by. But basically the way that it works is you have these lower claws here that grab the bottom of the spring. Then you have this little kind of lip right here, this tab that presses down on the top part of the spring, compressing it. And pretty much as you screw it down, that's how it works. So before we get started, you want to make sure that it's completely opened up. And then let's head over and I'll show you a valve spring that we're going to be removing and how we use this to get it done. You'll notice on the right side of this spring, it's a higher right down in here where it goes lower on that side, which is why on the compressor, pull back a little bit so you can see it, the compressor has this side longer, that side shorter, so it can fit around that. So let's slide it on and start compressing it. We'll bring this in, and we're going to slide it like we showed. The longer side to go further down. And you want to make sure that you get a good grip on the spring. You don't want it just dangling on there. There we go. So now we'll start tightening it. And then once I get a good grip on it, we'll get a close-up and I'll show you what we're looking at. I'm going to move the camera down so you can see how we're grabbing this thing. You can see the keepers starting to come up a little bit. Let's continue to turn it. To get our keeper out, we'll just take the magnet, put it right in there, give a little push. Here it is. The other one I already took out. Next, we'll just pull the compressor back with the spring. There's our valve stem. We'll bring the spring back. Want to make sure that the stem comes right through it. There we go. Line it up. There we are. Turn it this way so you can see it, but we're ready to put the keepers back in. But you'll notice as we move it, you have that space around the stem. So we'll just bring this in. You can see that. We just dropped that one in place. We'll bring the other one, put it on the other side, and then we can start releasing the spring and everything will lock back into place. The keepers have been dropped in place. As you can see, that's how it should look, nice and flush. They're locked in around that valve stem. So we're ready to remove the spring compressor, and then that will lock them in place. Hold this, turn it, and just unscrew it. That wraps up this video on how to use a valve spring compressing tool as we have here. I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any projects you're working on. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.